This is a walkthrough of room 11014 at WinStar World, Thackerville, Oklahoma. Now bizarrely, room 11014 is actually on the 10th floor, and that's the first time I think I've ever been in a hotel where the floor number doesn't replicate the room number with the first couple of digits, but hey ho. So, hanging space as you come in. It's pretty recently, they look quite recently renovated. The bathroom looks spotless. Nice walk-in shower there. Only a single sink, but great for just me. You've got a couple of waters there and some coffee. I've liked the fact that these regional casinos, by and large, all have coffee in the rooms, I've noticed. And again, this one, for the second time in recent days, has its own microwave there at the bottom, look. Reasonable telly size. And then your own fridge and safe. Nice bed. Sitting area there, old school aircon unit, and a writing desk with the Budweiser doesn't come with the room, that's mine. And then looking out of the window here, you've got the WinStar World sign just in front of you there, and you've got the pool area, which looks very nice. Now the pool actually was closed earlier on this afternoon because a storm came in. But again, as with these parts, look, the storm goes and we've got perfect summer heat again. It's incredible the change in temperatures and weather conditions. So I want to thank Dana for getting me this room on one of her comps. It's very, very kind of you, Dana. Thank you so much. I really mean that. And we are very excited to explore this casino. It's absolutely vast, and I mean vast. It's all on a single level, but it sort of goes round, snakes round, and basically they've got casino areas named after cities around the world. So you've got a London casino area, which is pretty much the first one you come to from check-in. So yeah, it's really an exciting night ahead. There's a whole load of people here. We're going to do a lot of gambling, I think. And there's a lot to explore. I'll try and do a walkthrough, but whether I can do a walkthrough of the whole thing remains to be seen, because there's a hell of a lot of it, but I'll show you what I can anyway. I will speak to you on the next vlog. Take care, guys.